Today we're exploring a hidden gem in Bohol that offers more than just a day out. It's an experience you won't forget, and it's great for the whole family.
You got one.
This place has something special for everyone. Keep watching to see what South Farm Bohol has to offer.
Welcome to South Farm. Thank you.
Thank you. Morning.
Good morning. Kumusta?
Very good, thank you.
Welcome back.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Renan. Hey, what's up, bro?
Morning.
We're good? Where's the wife? On behalf of the management, we'd like to say thank you for attending to our call, to our, for visiting us.
Our farm tour entrance fee, we have an entrance fee for the walk-ins, is 198 per person. And then in 198, the 50 pesos is consumable for food and drinks or either our farm products. South Farm is a farm facility of Oceanica Resort, formerly South Palms Resort if you are familiar, and North Zen Villas.
The farm was built during the pandemic. So we went farming, so we learned how to plow, we learned how to plant. The initial thing for having South Farm is what Joy mentioned, is to become the nursery facility of the resort. Meaning, we will produce our own food items or even the livestock. We will do the recycling here. So basically that's the thing. So we do recycling, we do the waste segregation of the facilities, the resort thing. So lahat yon dito sa South Farm.
Artisans Village, where all coconut products are made. Building itself is made of coconut. CO, the virgin coconut oil, different kinds of vinegar. We have South Farm Suka. I think it's commonly known as Sukang Pinakurat. And then we also have Suka with sili, Suka plain, and lastly is VCO.
I think this might be too spicy.
How was it?
It's super spicy.
Spicy. Too spicy?
It's too spicy for the morning. Ay, naiiyak na.
Like that one? You want both? Morning.
Sure.
No, proper one, huh?
You all can try, sir. Do you want? I will meet you.
I know that you are having a hard time right now. And everything seems to crumble.
You got one.
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble living right now, but everything is gonna be alright. I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best, what is best for you.
Yeah, taglaran ya.
Dapat pala akin yung gusto na po.
Saan ako gusto? Are some outside and some inside separated?
Yes, sir. Aquaponics means the difference between aquaponics and hydroponics.
All alone in this
From
world,
the koi
but
pond,
you have
we pump
to
water to this container,
put your trust
these two
into
containers,
us,
and then
we will help
and your right is
you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you.
The water will be good for 1 week from
What's best for you.
Please cover it until you know how far.
For you.
Mine's so frozen.
Pictures of coconut cookie. Sir, right here. Ay, may ganito.
Yes.
No pre.
I would like to introduce our food, pork humba, milk fish wrapped in banana, chili leaves, and malunggay. And then the other one is roasted chicken. From farm to table actually. Yeah. Evan rice, yes.
That wraps up our day at South Farm Bohol, a perfect blend of nature, culture, and family fun. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the activities in Bohol, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more local adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have an awesome day.